Good evening, I'm Irfan from class DO3 and this is the claim from Statista that we'll be using in this video. Today we'll be doing hypothesis testing. Today we'll be seeing if this statistics from a trusted article stating that a person uses about 4 to 6 hours of aircon per day, we will be trying to debunk or affirm this claim with our own set of data. So, first, we have our non-hypotenuse, which is 5, as it is the average of 4 and 6 hours, and our alternative, which is not equal to 5. And we will be using t-test in this case, as sigma or population standard is unknown. And our sample size in this case is 30 because we had 30 people do our survey. And our sample mean is average formula with our data set, which in this case is 7.633. And our sample standard deviation is stdev.s with our dataset. Why S and not P? Because S we are using our sample data and not population data. So population mean. Population mean as stated previously is 5 because it is in between 4 and 6 is the average 5. And population standard deviation or sigma is stated previously also is unknown or not given in this case. So significance level of A. So significance level of A or alpha will be 0.05 or 5%. And test statistics will be our sample mean minus our population mean divided by sample designation minus square root of our sample size, which gets us 4.0327. And our p-value, which is t.dist.rt, and our test statistics and sample size -1. So why -1? -1 is because it corresponds with the degree of freedom, which is n-1, which gets 0.000183. So since the p-value is less than the significance level of 0.05 or 5% alpha, the null hypothesis of 5 is failed to be rejected. So significance level of the significance level of alpha of 5% or 0.05, and our marginal error in this case is confidence.t with our significance level, our sample deviation, and our sample size gets us 1.3355. So 95% of confidence interval for population mean for our upper bound and lower bound in this case. It is a sample mean minus our marginal error. And for the other one, it is the opposite, which is a sample mean plus your marginal error, which gets you your two answers.